Hey everybody, Lady D, aka Donna Smith. And I've been waiting to hear from some of you guys in my email at dgrier12000 at yahoo.com. Hit me up. Let me know what you think about my videos. And I want you guys to subscribe to me on YouTube. When you click on these videos and you watch them and you have gotten something out of them and this moved you and grooved you or whatever it is, subscribe, because I'm always trying to bring something that I feel that you grown folks are going to like, that you're going through, you've been through, that you want to go through, that you want to say, but you're just too afraid to just bring it out there. Like this topic I'm getting ready to talk about. It's Saturday night, right? So you got these phone calls that start going out, early on Saturday or late Friday because they trying to hook up with you. And then you got those phone calls that keep going on through the night. Now, I think I hit on this before, but come on now. If you're calling someone spur of the moment, trying to kick it, they were not your first intention. Because first intentions you usually plan, you usually get it ready, you usually want to let them know in advance. But if you hitting that booty call last minute, that ain't cool. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody has things that they're into, perhaps plans, things that they're doing, or they may be just, in the bed, not want to be bothered. So give a lady the courtesy or a man the courtesy of giving them ahead of time notice in regards to, I want to kick it with you. You know, and it doesn't always have to be at your house. It doesn't always have to be at their house. It's so many things you can do, and you can be in each other's company and enjoy without always hanging in each other's house. And it don't cost a lot. So for those of you who's on a tight budget and watching how you spend and do things, wow. Nice little drives because the gas is going down now, so it's not that expensive to kind of take that little scenic ride or, a little picnic, a little walk along the water, go down to Half Moon Bay, heck, far as Bay Area folks, you can go right here on the Berkeley Marina. Folks is hanging out at the lake big time, because the time is getting ready to change and it's going to be dark at 6 o'clock. So, you got to get it in. But I just wanted to say, you have got to reach out and touch sooner than last minute if that person really matters and you really want to have a good time and enjoy them. And this doesn't just mean sex. It means spending that time. Now, I know, of course, there's some of you who just have those acquaintances for that booty call, and that's the understanding that you both have. Well, if that's the understanding that you both have, I ain't mad at you. Do you? But for most of us who are trying to find something a little bit more qualified, I'd say, I don't even think that's a word, but qualified, you want to be contacted timely. And if it is spur of the moment, it's like one of those things you just couldn't help. And it's like, man, I'm getting ready to swoop you up in my private jet and I'm getting ready to fly over the Atlantic Ocean. Would you like to join me? So anyway, what I'm saying is please, please, please reach out timely, let a person know they matter, and stop coming at folks last minute, perhaps for a booty call, an opportunity for a booty call, or just some cuddling time. How about that? What you think, grown folks?